So we're out today on the Box Vale Track. I'm down in Bowral to pick up something later, but since I'm in the area I thought I'd film another hike and the final one for the year, seeing as it's the 30th and I don't think I'm going to get another one in. Anyways, come along, I hope you enjoy, and let's end the year the right way. Out in nature with a hike. Come along. The Box Vale Track actually runs along the Nattai River. As you can see behind me, this is a dammed off section of it. Looks like quite a nice spot for lunch, right? So pretty. The rest of the track runs along an old tram line, so let's go see some of that. Takes us through a cool tunnel and then to a lookout. Tell me what you think of it when we eventually get there, if I don't spend all my time talking to you, of course. You guys are such great company, how can I not spend time talking to you? Anyways, let's continue. So we've reached this section of the track, and as you can see, it looks like a path has been carved out of this stonework for the tram to come through. Or at least that's what I assume, because it looks very unnatural. Anyways, as with everything, give nature a bit of time and she'll reclaim it. Let's continue. So, we made it to the tunnel. Look at the size of this thing. If I were to get in there and start talking, you would hear it echo. It's so massive. I guess it has to be for a locomotive to come through, right? Anyways, this is obviously one of the main attractions of this track. Train track. Track. It's trackception. That was bad, but I'm going to leave that in there anyway so you know who you're dealing with. Amazing, right? It's also a nice cool breeze coming out of it as well, so usually on a hot day, by the time you reach this part of the track, you'll definitely appreciate it. Anyways, let's continue. So that there was the Box Vale Track. As you can see, it was a fairly easy walk, flat along most of the way, though there are some rocky sections that will test your ankles, so be careful. If you're one of those Instagram adventurers who walks around in the white sneakers and whatnot, I suggest you not do that here, as there are sections of the track that are fairly muddy and your shoes are going to end up looking like you stepped in poop. So yeah, there's that. As you saw, there's a nice lookout at the end of the track, so bring along a lunch. Lots of water, as there isn't a lot of cover overhead along the track, so it might get super hot on hot days. Anyways, it's dog friendly, so bring your favorite pooch along and enjoy the track. And since this is the last hike for the year, I hope you have a happy new year, and I look forward to seeing you all on the other side of it. Take care and stay safe. Bye!